So today, let's study about subject and object pronouns.
Hello, teacher. Here it's Bruna talking to you. I have a question. Before you start explaining about subject and object pronouns, I think it's better you explain for us what subject and objects are. It's much easier for us to understand, okay? Can you help us?
Yeah, it makes sense. First of all, it's better you understand what subjects and objects actually are, just generally for our grammatical purposes. So, in grammar, the subject is a part of the sentence that does a thing. The object, on the other hand, is a thing that is acted on, has stuff done to it. So, subject pronoun does a thing. And object pronoun has stuff done to it. The subject acts. The object is acted upon. Let's give an example. In this sentence, in a food chain, the lion hunts the rabbit. Who is the subject? Who is the object?
Teacher, here it's Jose. I know the answer. The answer is the lion is the subject and the rabbit is the object, right?
Very good. Yes, the rabbit is the object of the verb hunts. It is the object of the sentence. So when we use pronouns, they will have different forms depending on whether they are subjects or objects of the sentence. For example, in this sentence, in a food chain, the lion hunts the rabbit and eats it. Here, the pronoun it is the object of the sentence. This way, I don't need to repeat the noun rabbit. So, I can substitute the noun rabbit by the pronoun it.
Hey teacher, it's Danilo from 5th year B. So I want to know, it and you, they don't change right when they are object pronouns?
Yes, the pronouns you and it don't change as object pronouns. So we can say, for example, the lion can eat it or the lion can eat you. It doesn't change. But other pronouns will change. In this sentence, my sister loves to go to the zoo, but she can't go closer to the lion because it can hurt. So whom can the lion hurt? Yes, the lion can hurt my sister. So instead of my sister, I'll use the object pronoun her. So it can hurt her. My sister loves to go to the zoo, but she, here's the subject pronoun, she can't go closer to the lion because it, talking about the lion, can hurt whom? My sister, so it can hurt her. These are the subject and object pronouns. I becomes me. He becomes him. She becomes her. They becomes them. We becomes us. And it, we use it or you. It doesn't matter if it comes before or after the verb. So remember, if you're in your sentence, if you have the pronoun after the verb, we need to use the object pronoun this way, okay? Don't forget it. An object pronoun can also be used after prepositions. For example, I will go with him. It's important to me. Can the children come with us? Look at her. The chocolate is for you. Lucy works for them. In this sentence, I is the actor, the subject pronoun, performing the action of given, which is the verb. They is the noun receiving the cookies. It is the object. So here, you can't use they. You need to transform they into them. This is the correct form because here we have an object pronoun. So I give them the cookies. Now consider this other example. She gave Jim and I some cookies. Can you spot the problem here? I just like they in the other example, is a subject noun living in an object noun's place. The correct sentence should have me, the object pronoun, following the verb, which is gave. So she gave Jim and me some cookies, because this part is after the verb gave, which is the verb give in the past. Oh, something important to remember. Even if you are talking about an animal, if this animal is female, we can use the subject pronoun she and the object pronoun her. Another important thing, if we talk about animals in plural, don't forget to use the subject pronoun they and the object pronoun them. Now let's do some activities. Let's see if you really understood.